Hi, our project title is Smart Protection. Through research and analyze the mechanical behavior of skin, we found that the Achilles tendon fibers are arranged in a Z-shaped pattern which gives them so much strength. And this has already been used in the smart textile design in modern wearable. Overall, we use the material called oxalic yarn and foam combined with other fabrics such as cotton on the smart protection. When stretching, oxalic becomes thicker perpendicular to the applied force. When this happens because of this particular internal surface of the deformation on the uniaxial loading when the weight of the sample, structure and material of such expectations have mechanical properties such as high energy absorption and fracture resistant. Smart protection is to protect human body, especially the infant and elderly, because this kind of person is easy to hurt themselves and unable to move freely. This project can protect the bones and body with the fracture resistant and stretchability of the oxalic materials. The required skills and knowledge we use are screen printing, digital printing, and weaving. This technologies can print patterns on the garment in order to increase the aesthetic measure. All the fabrics and the material ordering, it will need about 3 to 4 days will delivery order from with the suppliers. If the fabric or material is not available at the time, it may take a long time if it needs to be ordered from a textile producer. The primary industry is considered in the field of biomedical applications, such as prosthetic materials, and the oxalic foam inserts are often in underwear enhanced support for the comfortable fit.
And the concept of our project is to protect the children and old people because they are easy to fall and broken their bones. This project is use the oxalic materials to connect the traditional fabrics to design the new smart textile by the technology. During our research, we found the oxalic materials can show as the two ways, which is the yarn and the foam. For the yarn, we use the loom to make the special yarn to connect with the traditional cotton wire together to create the new textile, which have the function of the oxalic materials to protect the end user. For the foam part, we've used the foam on the important part of the human body. That means the part of the end user bodies which is easy to be hurt and broken, and to connect with the textile of special yarns and cotton wires fabric to have the double protective effect. For the appearance of our project, we wanted to use the clothes with different colors for the children and the old people. For the children, we want to use some vivid colors, and for the old people, we want to use some dark colors. Because the children like the vivid color to show them in energy and wear them, but the old people do not care about the color on their of the clothes anymore, and they always form. So we designed the stain resistant color for them. Therefore, the appearance of our project is on the basis of the needs of our end user on the color and forms. And this is our design sketch. Children. This one is for the children and the infant. We use the vivid color of the basis of the clothes, and the yellow part, that means the part of using the foam to protect on the human body, such as the knees and the heads. And this one is for the old people. And we also use, and the green one is the protective part. And this is our references in our PowerPoint and research.